Hey guys, just a quick little video for you guys. So basically I'm going to show you guys how to basically mirror your phone, right here, your phone, to your Mac. So to your Mac laptop or computer, whatever. I do have a Mac laptop, and it's actually a MacBook Pro, and it does work great. So guys, basically there's this app inside the App Store. It's $5. It's definitely worth it, and the program on the Mac you have to download is completely safe, completely free. So yeah guys, so this is the app you guys would have to buy. It is your remote control for Mac Pro. I'll have this link down in the description. Also have this website down in the description. You should download your computer. But this app, guys, for $5, you can control your computer with your phone. It's pretty amazing. Alright, so once you guys have the website right here, all you guys want to do is actually scroll down, and basically tells you to download it, install it, and then you connect it. So basically all we do is tap on download, and then so you tap on download, it's going to install. It's pretty quick to install. I'm going to show you guys mine. Mine is right here. Just to install it right here, you just double tap on it, and then you actually install it, and then you go through these steps right here to installing it. So after you guys install it, I can now tap on close, and then you guys see open up here. You just want to tap that on to allow the access and all that stuff. You'll go through it with the install process, and then basically on your phone, all you want to do is actually open up the app you have. So tap to open it up, and then you just want to actually come up on here when you have the app on, the app open, and you have have it installed on a computer. Actually pop up on your phone, and then you guys just want to connect it, and then you just want to allow access on the computer. So now when we actually tap on it, because I burned MacBook Pro, I have the computer added, you just want to tap onto it, and then now we can actually just go over to the bottom. We just go to keys or input, wherever you want to go. So we can go to keys on the bottom left, and then it's dark. I apologize for that. And then I read the volume. So I'm going to show you guys, there's nothing on the keyboard, and I'm just going to tap on the volume. So tap it down. Okay, just tap it up, and you see the volume, it's going up, going down, and there's nothing on the keyboards. Now we can actually just go tap on that one, which mutes it, just like that, up and down, up, down. So you see that controls that. And on the bottom second tab from the left, we have our input. We also have apps, menu, and more on the bottom. So I'm just gonna go to the input, and then basically what it does, this is like your mouse right here. So I can see I'm going to move the mouse around. It does become like a little laggy, which is the only thing I find annoying about it. But other than that, it works great. Like, look at that, I'm moving the mouse around, and it's completely working. And then when you want to tap on something, so I want to just minimize this right here, you just tap on your screen on your phone. So just tap, and actually it taps for you. So also, you actually on your phone, you actually tap on the screen button right here, like the computer button. It actually brings up the computer to your phone. So we tapped on that. There we go. Now we actually have the computer screen up to our phones. So just like that, and then when you actually can move it around, and actually it does move it around. Like you see it actually moves around the mouse just like that, and it moves around your phone too. So it's pretty cool. So actually you go out of that, and then we actually go back and forth with these tabs right here. And then when we tap on the one in the middle up here, tap on the one in the middle up here, it's like kind of like the app switcher. So you know Windows. Okay, tap on again. And then we tap on the rocket, which is basically just, I guess, our apps and stuff like that. And also we have our settings right here. So we tap on settings. And then there's different stuff you could do. So you put it on the settings right here. So it's pretty cool. Definitely go check it out. We also have apps down here. So we have all our, the apps we have down there. So we tap on messages. Okay, and tap on launch. And there we go. We just actually launch our messages. And then we actually go to menu in the bottom. We have our menu, and we have more. Tap on more. And we have some just basic functions right here. Log out, restart, shut down, lock, sleep, wake, start screensaver, stop screensaver, display off, and display on. So pretty cool, guys. Definitely go check it out. And we actually just turn the brightness up. And we actually have more stuff up here. So pretty cool. Definitely go check it out, guys. And like I said, it's just $5 from the App Store. But other than that, on computers, completely free. So yeah, peace.